Hi guys, and welcome back to Endy's kitchen. Thank you so much for your support. Today I'm going to share a very simple dish with you. This dish is actually my family recipe. It's French fries topped with eggs, onions and tomatoes. I hope you will like it. If you do, please at the end of this video don't forget to give me thumbs up. So let's get on with it. Here are the ingredients. I have 4 large potatoes, 1 medium-sized onion, 3 Roma tomatoes. I'm going to be using 4 eggs, oil, and some salt. First of all, we peel our potatoes. So I'm going to do that, and I'll see you in a minute. Our potatoes are peeled and nicely washed. So now we are going to slice them. This is how I sliced my potatoes to this size. I got this recipe from my dad. Whenever he does this, I really like it. The next step is prep the tomatoes and the onion. I peeled the onion and I washed the tomatoes too. So we slice the onion, separate them, and now we slice the tomatoes. So here I have my potatoes all chopped up and my onions and tomatoes all chopped up. So the next step is to fry the potatoes. So we are ready to fry our potatoes. Before you do that, please sprinkle some salt on it and then mix it up. With your stove between medium and high heat, start frying your potatoes. My fries are ready. You can fry your fries to your liking. I like mine a little bit golden brown. So I take them out of the oil and continue frying a little bit at a time until it's all done. My fries are all done and I got rid of the oil that I used to fry the potatoes. The next step is to cook our eggs. I'm going to put a little bit of oil in my frying pan, just a little bit. And break my oil and break my egg one at a time. My last egg. So we have all 4 eggs in the frying pan. Now I slowly stir. My eggs are ready. I'm going to spread them on top of the fries. Here I spread my eggs on top of the fries, and the next step is to cook the onions and tomatoes. Once again, we put just a little bit of oil in the frying pan. And we put both onion and tomatoes in it to cook. I will sprinkle a little bit of salt on it. And continue stirring. Continue stirring and let them cook for like 1 minute. 1 minute later, and my onions and tomatoes are ready. I am going to spread this on top of my fries and the eggs. So here we have our dish. The potatoes at the bottom, the next layer was the eggs, and then the next layer was the tomatoes and the onions. Yummy. Guys, this turned out so well. This is one of my favorite dishes. I hope you like it, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe, because there are more Endy goodies coming. See you next time, and bon appetit.